Welcome to Golden Rule. Today we are reviewing the RA15AZ Endeavor Line Achiever Series multi-stage air conditioner, your key to ultimate home comfort. Hi there homeowners, I'm Tom Blair from Golden Rule, and I'm here to tell you about the remarkable features of the RA15AZ multi-stage air conditioner. Let's dive in. First off, peace of mind performance. This unit has a 10-year conditional parts warranty, protecting your investment for the long haul. Worried about your carbon footprint? The RA15AZ boasts a 7mm condenser coil, reducing refrigerant requirements by up to 15%. That means keeping your home cool and being environmentally responsible. Want an AC that looks great? This unit has a curved louvered panels and rugged corner posts, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your home's exterior. If peace and quiet are your thing, you're in luck. The RA15AZ has integrated sound dampening features from refrigerant tubing design to fan blade approach, composite base pan, and an innovative compressor you'll hardly notice is even running. Now let's talk about efficiency. The RA15AZ delivers cooling up to 15.2 SEER, which means it's incredibly energy efficient, keeping your utility bills in check while keeping your home cool and comfortable. So who is this unit perfect for? Homeowners like you who plan on living in their homes for a long term. If you're in it for the long haul, this AC will keep you comfortable year after year. Now, I bet you're wondering about the installation costs. It typically ranges from $7,000 to $9,000, depending on the specific needs of your location. Our team at Golden Rule can provide you with an accurate estimate tailored to your home. In conclusion, the RA15AZ Endeavor Line Achiever Series multi-stage air conditioner is your ticket to comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. It's perfect for homeowners planning to stay for the long term. Reach out to Golden Rule today and let us help you make your home a haven of comfort. Thank you for tuning in to our product review. Visit our website to learn more about this fantastic AC unit and how we can serve you. Remember, Golden Rule is your partner in home comfort.